Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge summer clothing try-on haul for you guys. I'm super excited about this one. I am partnering with Princess Polly on this video. They are sponsoring me, so huge thank you to them. I am absolutely obsessed with Princess Polly, and I think you guys know that by now if you've been watching me for a while. And I do have to say, I think that this haul is my favorite Princess Polly haul that I've done, and I know I say that like every single time, but I'm so serious. Like, the color palette that I've like picked is just like phenomenal. Like, I've got like greens, pinks, blues, whites, like such pretty summer colors, and I'm pretty much set for all of summer with these clothes. So I will have all these items linked down below. I'll have a link to Princess Polly's website. I have a discount code with them, and it is HVESTAL for 20% off your Princess Polly order. They offer free shipping to the US on orders over $50 US. They also offer AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the haul. So I did already go ahead and try on all these clothes for you, so I can tell you exactly how they fit and if they're true to size and whatnot. And I'm really excited. Like, I'm in love with every single piece that I got and super happy about all of them. So starting off, I have this top that I'm wearing. I don't know what it's called because it's currently on my body right now, but I got this in a, I don't know. I'll have the size on the screen since I don't know, but it's like different shades of pink, and then it's got some beige in it, or like yellow, I'm not really sure. Like crochet knit tie top, and I actually had to wear a like little bralette underneath because it is see-through, but I don't like how the bra shows like in the middle right here, so I'd probably just wear pasties with it if it doesn't like completely expose me. We'll see. But this is one of my favorite items from this haul. Like, I'm utterly obsessed with it, and I just think it is so like cutesy, girly, and perfect for the summer. Like, I can't get enough of it. Like, I'm obsessed. I think it would look really cute with some white jeans or blue jeans, anything like that. Like, it's so cute, and it's very casual, but you could also dress it up. So I'm obsessed with it, and it fits amazing. So next up, we'll talk about some pants that I got. This first pair are called the Savina wide leg denim jeans in white, and I got these in a US 2. And I love these so much because they're kind of like a loose fitting flare jean, I guess, or wide leg, I guess is the more accurate term. But they've also got a cute rip in the knee, so there's a little bit of distressing, which I like. It's not too modest, I don't know, not too fancy, but you can dress these up, dress them down. I feel like I will wear these a lot in the summer. I've been on the hunt for some good white denim jeans, and I finally found a pair that are flattering, that fit me right, and are so cute. And they're not too long on me, especially if I wear like some platforms with them, so that's good. And I'm obsessed with these. Like, you guys have no idea. You'll see them a lot during the try on portion. I don't even know if these are jeans. They're like cargo pants, but they are the Miami Vice pants in blue. I got these in a 0, and I'm super glad that I got a 0 because they are very like oversized and baggy, and I'm so petite that I don't really like that look, but these look phenomenal. I love them. But I'm obsessed with this color blue right now. Like, I just think it looks so good on me. I don't know why, but I always get compliments when I wear this shade. So they're really neat. They're just like a cargo style pant. They're super comfortable, and I feel like these with some white tops that I'll show you guys in a few minutes are just like such a look. And like with some white Converse, I'm just here for this. Like, I'm here for these pants, and now I want to get them in every single color. I think they have a lot of different colors to choose from on their website. All right, so next up, before we get into the rest of the tops, I have a little matching set. I did get this separately, but I mean, clearly you can wear this together. It's the same thing. But this is called the Recycled Fibers Elena Mid-Rise Mini Skirt in a US 2. I do wish I would have got this in a 0. It is a little bit big, but that's totally my fault. But this is so cute, right up my alley. It's just like so like 80s or 70s vibes. I don't know, I love the colors. Obviously really into this blue right now, obviously really into pink, and the colors just complement each other so well. So I might have to get this like taken up a little bit, but I mean, it still looks fine, but I just wish it was a little bit tighter in the waist. But it's so freaking cute. And then to go with it, I have this top that I'm utterly obsessed with. This is the Recycled Fibers Flower Child corset in blue, and it's got these little not circle, but like metal details right there. So it's like a corset style top. I got this in a US 2 and it fits amazing. It has a zipper in the back, so it's easy to get on and off and really flattering. I love these tops. You guys will see a lot of these style tops in this video. It's just such a trend for the summer. I feel like corsets and like bustiers and all that like are just gonna be so prominent this summer, and I'm obsessed. So got this. Actually, one more item before we get into strictly tops. I've actually purchased this before from Princess Polly in a haul that I did a while ago, I think back in the fall maybe. But this is called the Love Galore Romper White. I got this in a US 2, and it is so cute, so flattering, and there's so many ways you can style this. You can throw a little jacket over it, pair it with some high heels, you can dress it down with some sneakers, some high tops. Like, the opportunities are endless. I'm obsessed. I have this in brown and I love it. It's just really fun. It's a little romper, obviously. It's got some ruffles, some polka dots, and I think you wear it like off the shoulder, or you can wear it like on the shoulder. I'm not sure, but it's so stinking cute. I had to have it. All right, so next up, I have this bustier corset top. This is the Keisha Rib Bustier in a US 2 in white. I have this in pink already that I got back in the fall from Princess Polly. It's like a light pink, and I love it. However, it is a little big on me because I got it in a 4. So I love the top so much and I wanted to give it another shot. So I just sized down, and this is the perfect size for me. I love it, and I just love corset tops. Like, you guys, it is my uniform in the spring and summer, and you just can't go wrong. Like, you could pair these with those blue pants that I showed you, even this skirt, denim jeans, denim shorts, black jeans, black shorts, colored pants, like literally so many things, and I love it. And it also zips up in the back, so it's easy to get on and off. Okay, so another fun top that I have, this is called the Altona Strapless Top White in a US 2. Super cute. I love the lace detailing. It's kind of like a bustier type vibe. Also zips in the back, and I love the fit of this. It fits so nicely, and I love the shape of it because it's like really cropped, but then it's also like it dips down in the front right there, and it's so flattering. I love this. Again, you can wear this with literally anything. Love the lace detailing, and it's just chef's kiss. I'm obsessed. Next up, I got another fun top. This is called the Mikhail Top Multi in a US 4. I don't know why I got this in a US 4 when I got like every other single top in a US 2, but I'm glad because it fits really good. It's this beautiful, it reminds me of like watercolor, you know, that you did in like art class, watercolors. So cute. It's just beautiful colors, and it's so flattering, and I love this. It's just like the straps are so cute, how they're like bungee, is that even a word? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's really cute, and you guys need this. This with the white jeans, like amazing. Okay, I also got this top, and it's called the Leilani top in a US 2 in beige. Super cute. It has a zipper on the side, which made it so much easier to get on, and the straps adjust. I love the color contrast, like it's this beige and then black stitching. I think it is so stinking cute. Again, you can wear this with literally anything. That's what I love about all the stuff that I got. Like, it's all so versatile, and I'm just obsessed, and it's so stinking cute and flattering. Last but not least, one of my favorite items that I got. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with lace corset tops, or like just lace tops in general. Like, I have so many. I'm literally staring at like 7 on my rack right now. Like, I'm just obsessed with these. This is called the Brentwood Top Green in an extra small, and the straps adjust. It doesn't like do me like a lot of justice up here, but I need to like adjust the straps and maybe to like push everything up. But so cute. You guys know I'm obsessed with this color right now, or I've been obsessed with this color for like a year, but it's so pretty. It's just like this beautiful bright green, and it's so sexy and feminine, and I love it, especially with the white jeans. It'll look so good. And last but not least, I have a pair of heels, and these are really out of my comfort zone, but I'm obsessed with them. I don't know exactly what they're called. Actually, I do. I think they're the Cheyenne heels in the color Bone. Thought they were gonna be more of like a white, but I'm not mad about it because they're more of like an off-white. But They're super cute. They are like a short, not short, but like a good size heel and square toe, and then they lace up your leg, which I've never really been a fan of because I feel like it always made my legs look super weird. But these are so flattering and I'm utterly obsessed. Like, you can wear this with that little matching set that I just showed you guys, or the white flare jeans I think would look really cute with maybe like this top or any of the freaking tops that I showed you. So I'm obsessed with these. They're true to size, and need I say more? All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I'll have all these items linked in the description box for you guys to shop. Don't forget to use my discount code HVESTAL for 20% off your Princess Polly order. Thank you again to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, guys, they do offer free express shipping to the US on orders over $50 US, which is 3 to 4 days. And they also offer ShopPay and AfterPay to all US customers. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.